In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute video in Adobe Express. First, open your video project in Adobe Express. Give it a moment to load so the timeline and preview are fully ready. If you're working with multiple clips, take a quick look at your timeline so you know exactly which piece of footage has the sound you want to remove. This avoids muting the wrong section and saves time later. Next, click or tap the video clip you want to silence. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted in the timeline or framed in the preview. On desktop, a single click usually does it. On mobile, tap once, and if needed, tap again to bring up the clip's options. Selecting the clip is important because the audio controls you're about to use apply to the chosen clip, not to your entire project. Once the clip is selected, look for the video editing controls. Depending on your layout, you'll find them in the left side panel or near the bottom of the screen by the timeline. Adobe Express can adjust its interface slightly between desktop and mobile, but the controls you need are always close to the timeline or in a context panel that appears after selection. Now, locate the volume control. This is commonly shown as a small speaker icon or a visible volume slider. Sometimes it may be labeled audio or similar, and opening that section reveals the slider. If you see multiple audio-related options, focus on the one tied to the selected clip rather than any project-wide music controls. To remove the sound, set the volume to 0% or tap the mute option. Sliding to 0 completely silences the original audio from that clip while keeping your video visuals intact. If you prefer a single tap, the mute button achieves the same result. You can always reverse this later by toggling mute off or moving the slider back above 0, so don't worry, this change isn't destructive. Give the clip a quick preview to confirm it's silent. If you still hear sound, double-check that the correct clip is selected. Also remember that background music or voiceover added elsewhere in your project will continue to play, which is expected. You've muted only the selected video clip's built-in audio. If you need multiple clips silent, repeat the same process for each one. That's it. You opened your project, selected the clip, found the editing controls, located the volume setting, and set it to 0 or tapped mute. With these simple steps, your video is clean, quiet, and ready for any music, narration, or effects you want to add later.